Hi students, in this video I am going to discuss the physical methods for the concentration of ore. As I already told, there are three physical methods for the concentration of ore. First method is hydraulic washing method, second one magnetic separation method, and third one is froth flotation process, or you can call it as oil flotation process. So here first I will discuss hydraulic washing method. Hydraulic washing method. See how ore is concentrated by hydraulic washing method. So before going to discuss, we must know when hydraulic washing method is used, when magnetic separation method is used, when oil flotation method is used. That is very important, and that is called as a principle. So on what principle the hydraulic washing method is depends. So this method principle this method is based on the differences in specific gravities of ore and the ganj. This method is based on the differences in the specific gravities of ore and the ganj, or can say this method is used when the ore particles are heavier than ganj particles. This method is used when ore particles are heavier than ganj particle. This you can say it is a principle. This method is based on the differences in gravity separation of ore and ganj particles, or you can say this method is used only when the ore particles are heavier than ganj particles. So from this method you can concentrate the two types of ores, that is hematite ore and chromite ores. Hematite ore and chromite ores. Now what is the process involved in this hydraulic washing method? See here I have drawn one instrument, or you can call it as a device, and it is called as a hydraulic classifier. It is called as a hydraulic classifier. It is called as hydraulic classifier. It is named as hydraulic classifier. See here, classifier means it is a separator. It separates the metallic particles, that is ore particles, and the ganj particles. Hydraulic classifier means, hydra means it is a water. So by using water, so it separates the ganj particles and the metallic ore particles. Therefore it is called as a hydraulic classifier. See here, the hydraulic classifier, this one, the hydraulic classifier consists of a conical shaped reservoir. See, this is looks like a conical shaped reversed conical flask. Hydraulic classifier, the whole instrument, it is called as a hydraulic classifier. The hydraulic classifier consists of conical shaped reservoir. This is called as conical shaped reservoir, having hooper at the top and pipe at the bottom. This one is called as a pipe. I'll repeat the sentence. Hydraulic classifier consists of conical shaped reservoir having hooper at the top. This is called as a hooper. Hooper at the top and pipe at the bottom. In this method, the powdered ore is dropped through hooper into conical shaped reservoir. Then a high speed of water is introduced through the pipe at the bottom, so that the lighter ganj particles are moved off and passes out through an outlet, leaving behind the heavier metallic particles, leaving behind heavier metallic particles at the bottom of reservoir itself. So therefore here only heavier metallic particles, they remains at the bottom of the reservoir, and here you get the Ganj particles. Means this is what the separation of the Ganj particles and the metallic particles by using water. Therefore it is called as the hydraulic classifier, or you can call it as a hydraulic washing method. So very simple method. I'll repeat it. First you should write principle, on what principle it works, the hydraulic washing method. So principle is, this method is based on the differences in specific gravities of ore and Ganj particle. Or you can write, this method is employed or used when the metallic ore particles are heavier than Ganj particles. And examples for hydraulic washing method. From this method we can concentrate hematite ore and chromite ores. Next, process. What is the process involved in this method? Hydraulic classifier, it is in one device, and this hydraulic classifier consists of a conical shaped reservoir having hooper at the top and pipe at the bottom. Then in this method, the powdered ore is dropped through hooper into conical shaped reservoir. Then a high speed of water is introduced through the pipe at the bottom, so that the lighter Ganj particles are moved up and passes out through an outlet, leaving behind the metallic particles at the bottom of reservoir itself. And this is what the separation of Ganj particles and metallic particles by using water. Therefore it is called as a hydraulic washing method. So I hope it is clear. Thank you.